Selamat datang. We are in Tegalalang Rice Terrace I in Ubud, Bali. Yay! Alright, just so you know, there are parts of the path that have like blocks of concrete, so it's a little bit easier to walk. However, a lot of it is mud. And then when you get to the center, there is this rickety bridge that you have to cross, and they ask for a donation. So if you have anything, be sure to donate so that they can upkeep the bridge and keep this place accessible to everyone. Just a quick tip, wear sandals and comfortable like shorts or workout shorts because the path is very muddy and slippery. So I actually got stepped into the mud a little bit. I've been mud.
It's a nice mud bath, right?
Mm-hmm. All natural manure. That was quite fun. You just have to not be afraid to get dirty. Done. Don't laugh at me. You did it! Round one done. Selamat datang. We are in Tegalalang.
Tegalalang.
Okay, let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Selamat datang. We are in Tegalalang
Rice Terrace.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3.